everyone, my name is Mohan. Let me introduce you Room Crafter AI, an AI agent that will assist you while you're doing the interior design. So this is an AI that designed for everyone. It is not just limited to someone who already know what's their budget, what's their preferences, but this is also designed for the ones who never have in the interior design before and they want to know what exactly they want and what is the budget they want to prepare for. So here comes our AI agent. Let me just go through all the functions that we have right here. So as you can see, we have Explorer, Styles, Budget, Room Planner, Ballot, and we also have the AI chatbot right here. So let's go with the first one. This is for a normal interface that you can just check for each single furniture that you like. You can like search for that. You can check in for different rooms. You can check for different types. And while you are searching for this, you can also just changing your price ranges to see what exactly the furniture that you can afford for. And not only this, you can also customize the materials, the colors, the styles, the size that you would like. And you can just like click on any of these and then checking for the detailed information right here. And if you like this one, you will probably also like the other ones. Our AI will also do the recommendations for you. So you can just find more things that you would like to have and you can just do the comparisons and find the best one. So if you're the one who did not really like to spend much time on looking for each single furniture, you can also choose our room kits functions. This is a function that already have all the furniture being packed into the set and you just need to like checking for whatever the styles you like, what is the set you like looking for, then you can just click on that and looking for all the detailed information and you can just save the inspirations or just like checking what is the color palette is for this. All those things will help you to decide what exactly you want. So other than that, if once you are doing the search down by the search, then you can just check in for whatever the style you want. You might be the ones who already know the preference that you like, but you do not know what exactly you want. You just choose for I already know my style, and then for here you can just check for whatever the mindset you are looking for and the words that you think that can describe your feelings for this. And based on those things, you can just also like tuning all those features, the parameters right here, and you can see that these settings are just changing, and it will just generate you a personalized report that helps you to define what exactly you want. So as you can see right here, you have a summary that shows that what is assessment on the choices that you have, and you can either like accept that or just take as the reference to see if it will help you to decide the styles that you like. Or you might say, I'm the one who did not know anything about the styles, I don't have any preferences. Then you can go to the sections. You can just looking through all these really intuitive pictures to see what is the one that you really like for your first attentions, and you can just check in all those words. You can check if you have anything that you never want to see, if there's anything that you already have, and like you can have to see what are the already existing maps that were here. And similarly to what we just had before, any options that you choose will affect all the things right here. And finally, it will generate you personal reports about what is your styles. And you might ask, what is happening when you are clicking on any of these? So for all these functions, these are not linear. You don't have to go one by one in the orders. You can just like jump to any of these others. But once you select more than 2 of the options, you can generate a room planners report that will help you to summarize all the things that you have, and you don't need to worry about what is my original idea, what is my current idea. We just like track all the things that you have. So moving on to the next step, here's the thing that helps you to decide what type of budget you want to have and how much things I can afford for this. So probably sometimes you may overestimate your budget for some furniture, or you may underestimate the ones that you can actually afford to. You can just use our budget system to help you decide whatever you want. You can choose different options to adapt to different requirements. If you want to just like really strict to that, or you have the comfort zone, you want to like having the stretch between this, or you can just like explore for it. It don't really matter what is the budget. And for here, we also have the category for you to just choose the actual ones that you want or the ones that you hate. You can just like choosing all those things. And similarly, if you don't have any sense about what exactly you want, you can just like tell me what is your background, what is your preferences, and what is your plan for now. And then when you will have the all those things be set, and it will give you the customized budgets based on all the big background information that you given. So you can just like add it here. And once you're done with this, you can just click on apply these things. Then we will remember everything for here. And we will store it into the summary. Every time when you are browsing through the things, you can just like go back to see what is my last intentions about whatever I want. So you don't need to keep track about that. We take care about everything for you. And you might ask, what is the AI working right here? So this is something that can help you anytime if you have any questions. So for example, we can ask, who are you? And then they will having the response for, oh, what am I doing for? And you can also choose any suggestions right here, such as, oh, I like the modern designs. You can just like sending the messages, and you will see that all these things will be showing to explain to you based on your questions, and everything that you think you like or you have the interest in that, they will be also just sync to the summary part. So we will always catch all the brainstorming that you have, and you don't need to worry about these. And moving on, you also have the planner. Here comes the actual things that we want to see. So once you are just like done with everything that you plan, you also need to look at what exactly I can put into. So for here, we have the simulations. You can just put in as much furniture as you want, and you can just adjust each of these using the settings that we have right here. You can just like changing them and then changing the directions. And most importantly, if you have any collisions right here, we will tell you that there is some problem with the furniture, then you can see if you really can fit in this into your rooms. So we also provide you the detailed information about what exactly are these for, and we also have the summary budget for this, and you can just like looking for if they really fit into your budget. And other than that, we also have the customized part, which you can just choose different colors and different materials. You can change the size. You can have the rotations. So as you can see right here, these models looks kind of like really cute, but we will just think for more real models later. We are not like just selling the models. We are selling the actual things. So if you really care about what exactly we are trying to sell, you can just look at our appendix to see what exactly we have. And moving on to the next step, this is the thing that I mentioned before, that even if you already decide all those things, you might need to look at if that is past the validations based on your room configurations. So here comes the things. You don't need to worry about anything. Everything you have done so far, we already tracked it for you. So the only thing you need to do is just to read through all of these taxes. And if there's any questions, any things and issues that's going here, just one single click, and then we will solve everything for you. So once you're done with all the things you are curious about, oh, what is my result for my brainstorming? You can just click on the generate room planner, and then boom. You can see right here, all the things are the configurations that you set before, and we already remember everything for you. And here we generate your summaries for you. So based on the things, you can also like save your summaries, and you may ask, what does summary do for? This is like something that acts like the Google Drive that will just save all the plans that you have before. So you can see right here, or for different plans, you have like those different summaries. You can just like customize all those things. based on to your plans. So this is something that helps you to track through all the different plans that you have before, and you can just look back anytime that you want and to see if your ideas are changing over time or for anything else. So these are all the functions for our AI. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, or you can just ask our AI. Our AI knows everything about you, and we really cares about your experience for the interior design. So that's all. Thank you.